a 2. Sha la 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 dee da, a brown-eyed girl. Hey guys, it's Caitlin here from Mechanics of Music. We're gonna do a quick little mini lesson and then a sing-along and a play-along for the one, the only Brown-Eyed Girl by Van Morrison. I've got my uke here and it has a low G. You can also do everything I'm about to do on a high G uke, but I just chose this one off the wall today. The chords we need, we're gonna use a G chord, a C chord, and a D chord or a D7 chord. I kind of like to do D with my middle ring and pinky finger. You can also do it with first, second, and third finger, or you could do D7. Since we're in the key of G, you can use the 5-7 chord for all of my students who I forced to learn music theory a little bit. Maybe I'll make some videos about music theory one of these days. We also need the E minor chord. In our class, we also learned there's a quick little easy substitute for E minor, and you can do E minor 7, which is a little bit different, but in the case of this where you're going pretty quickly to an E minor and you're not on the chord for very long and you're in the key of G and it's just going to sound good. So if you want to do E minor 7 instead of E minor, you can. We're going to use strumming pattern 6, which is down, down, up, down, or you can do pattern 7, down, down, up, down, up. The other cool little thing about this is the little riff, the intro, and also kind of what the bass does in the bass solo part. And it goes like this. So you can do that 2 times as your intro, and then, like I said, through the bass part. Pretty cool? Okay, I'm gonna do the chords, and you guys are gonna do the do 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 do. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Do 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 do. more time. And on a G chord. Beautiful. Awesome. Super fun. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for singing along. If you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like it, share it with all your uke friends, and just have a blast singing and playing. I will see you guys in the next video. Keep rocking, keep strumming, keep smiling. Brown-eyed girl, sha la 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 la.